Introducing golden shower. Cassia fistula of the family Fabaceae. Golden shower is a medium-sized tree that can reach heights of 10 meters. The leaves are deciduous and pinnately compound. Leaflets are 4 to 8 paired and ovate, acuminate. Flowers are bright yellow and in long lax pendulous racemes. The pod is straight, cylindrical, dark brown, and measures up to 60 centimeters in length. Golden shower is native to tropical America. It is commonly planted along roadsides, in parks, and in gardens throughout the Philippines. It is propagated by seeds. Golden shower is a medicinal plant traditionally used mainly in India and other nations and has colossal potentials for wound healing, antioxidant, and hepatoprotective properties. The plant species is extensively used in medicinal systems around the world, and various studies have reported that it contains anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, antitussive, antibacterial, and antifungal properties and is similarly used for wound healing.